Guys, so I just made this easy 3-ingredient yummy snack. So yummy. So first you mash up bananas. Can be old, they can be new. Add the kind of like brown ones. You mash them up. Mash it up really, really good. Then you're gonna put some oats in, like the granola like oats where you can put your, like not the oatmeal oats, but like any oats that you like in like yogurt or anything. If you're allergic or like you don't like oats, you don't have to put them in because it tastes good without the oats anyway. Then last thing is chocolate chips. They don't have to be chocolate chips, they can be anything. So, and then you're gonna put that all in the microwave with the chocolate, the oats, if you want the oats, and the bananas. You're gonna put that in the microwave for 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, you're gonna take it out, and they might not look melted, but they actually are. So you're gonna mix it with a spoon, and it'll be like it'll look like that type of thing. Then you're gonna sprinkle some more chocolate chips on top, and there it is. It tastes really good. Definitely recommend it. Bye.